Okay, so you have to put the exact amount of water. I took that coffee cup and put it in the top. If you lift it up here, poured it into here, it does not shut off automatically like after so many ounces, the way my Nespresso does, the way a regular Keurig does. It's very small, not quite 4 inches wide. You can make it accommodate larger cups, like a travel cup. If you take the bottom thing out, which is alright, you know, doesn't seem that big, but yeah, this is okay. Small travel cup. I'm going to put this here because I'm going to use I'm going to use this coffee cup. You see that it's been blinking this whole time? It takes an incredibly long time to come to heat. Way longer than Nespresso, than a Keurig. It just takes forever, and it makes little clicky sounds like, oh yeah, here it comes, but then it's not. So I'm still waiting for it to start brewing. This blinking means that it's heating. And like I said, only put the amount of water in that will fill your coffee cup. Because I didn't know that at first, and I filled it all the way up like you would normally fill a Keurig. And it just kept going. So I had to quick put another cup in. And it is still flashing, still waiting. Still waiting. And just so you know, it was already on and blinking for a minute or two. Oh, look, finally. And it's going to brew us some coffee. And it should fill the cup right up because that's how much water I put in. So it does work, but it's not fast, and it's bare minimum. You can only make 1 cup at a time, or, yeah. I would keep a water bottle if you have this, like, I'm going to put this in a guest room, and I'll have a water bottle or a couple of water bottles in there and tell them to fill their cup up first and then dump it.
This is my CHULUX, and I absolutely love this thing. First thing that I love about it is how compact it is and how small it is. It's not super bulky. It's not hard to get to. It fits right perfectly in my corner that I have available, and it's sleek. I love that about this. Next thing I like is that I can be in control of how much water I add and how strong my coffee is. So I just dump the amount that I want in this back compartment, and then I can either put one of my pods in, or it came with a canister that I can put ground coffee in, so that's awesome. I put that in there, and then it is so easy. It's literally just one button. Turn it on, it does the rest of the work. One button, I can leave, go do what I gotta do. It brews my coffee, and then once it's done, it turns off. So I love that it's like minimal thought process with this thing. Another thing that I really like is that it makes my cup of coffee super hot in the best of ways, because a lot of times I forget about my coffee after I get going with my morning, and this thing, my coffee stays warm for a long
So I want to show you my CHULUX coffee machine. It's for 1 cup. What's great is this is for our RV and it's only 4 inches wide. You can definitely see that. So it'll fit comfortably very well anywhere inside. But under this lid opener is a basin where you put the cup of water from your cup that you're using in the basin. Put this K-cup in, and there's a sharp little doohickey that pops it. The water heats up, which does take probably 1 to 1.5 minutes, possibly